Hello everyone, this is Priyesh from Informatica MDM team. Today we are going to learn about Task Administrator, the new feature in MDM 10.4. The agenda of this video: Introduction to Task Administrator, Prerequisite to configure Task Administrator, Task Administrator role, configure the Task Administrator role, followed by demo. Introduction part. Data director users can manage multiple tasks by performing task administrators actions such as assigning, releasing or editing the task. All users can manage tasks available to their user role, while user assigned to the task administrator role can manage all tasks. For example, user can release their assigned tasks, while task administrator can release all assigned tasks. Task administrator cannot work on tasks or view task detail. If you assign user task administrator role along with the other user roles also, they might be able to manage tasks and work on tasks and view task details. For example, you can assign a user the following MDM hub roles: data steward, where data steward is a normal business user role, AB admin and AB admin, which is again a task administrator role. So the users can work on tasks, manage tasks available to data steward role, and manage all the tasks as task administrator. Prerequisites to configure task administrator: MDM and ActiveOS integration should be there. Create the AB admin role in MDM hub. The below lists the task administrator actions available to the user roles. User role first, task administrator role. User can perform the following task administrator actions on all the tasks. They can assign, release or edit tasks. Users other than task administrator, normal business user roles. User can perform the following task administrator action on task available to their user role. They can claim the task, and they can release the task, edit, and they can take actions such as accept, reject or disclaim. Note: available task actions depend upon selected tasks and your ActiveOS workflow. The task administrator role. So making a user as a task administrator, basically we need to create two roles at hub level and assign these roles to that user. Here AB admin, second A is a caps. This user can perform the following actions on all the tasks: assign, release, edit. This user can manage tasks for default approval and unmerge ActiveOS workflow. Second rule, AB admin, second A small a, user can perform the following actions on all the tasks: assign, release, edit. This user can manage tasks for default merge ActiveOS workflow. Configure the task administrator role. You can use provisioning tool to configure task administrator role and specify the MDM role that you want to map to the task administrator role. Before you begin, if you are using default ActiveOS workflow, you must create these two roles, AB admin in hub. To ensure users can perform task administrator action on all tasks for all workflows, you must assign both the roles: AB admin caps, second A caps A, AB admin second A small a. These are the steps to configure task administrator after login to provisioning tool. Login to provisioning tool. From the database list, select your database. Then select the business entity. Under that you can select tasks. In the task panel, select the task administrator role and then click create. In the properties panel, enter task administrator in the name field. Select enable task administrator role checkbox. From hub role list, select the MDM hub role that you want to map to the task administrator role. If you are using default ActiveOS workflows, select AB admin. If you are using custom ActiveOS workflow, select the MDM hub role that you use for business administrator in ActiveOS site. Then click apply and publish the changes. Now next, proceed with demo. We need to first create these two roles in Hub Console under SAM. I have created these two roles under SAM. After creating these two roles, we need to map these two roles to the user to whom you want to make a task administrator. In my case, I have created a user task admin and I map these two task administrator role to this user to become a task administrator and perform the admin activities. After configuration done at MDM Hub Console side, we need to log into provisioning tool. Business entities, then go to tasks. Under tasks, you need to select task administrator role. Here you need to create a task administrator role. You can give your name, enable the checkbox for task administrator role, and hub role list you need to select the AB admin and then apply the changes and publish the changes. Once this configuration has done successfully, we are ready to log in into the E360 application and we can see the scenarios. Now let's log into E360 application. As I already told, I have created a task admin role which is a administrator role in my case. After login to E360 application, all tasks, we cannot see any task because this user is a task administrator. We haven't assigned any business rules. Now let's go to task manager. When you go to task manager, all available tasks, you will see a grid view by default. Since you are a task administrator, you are not supposed to see the task detail, but anyhow you can switch to task detail and we'll see. Here we can see we cannot see the task detail. You do not have permission to view the task detail. Now let's proceed with the task administrator activities. Since he is not a business user, he cannot claim the task. He can assign tasks. Now we can see that he is able to assign all the tasks to the one of the user. After assigning tasks, we'll see a second scenario. He can release a task from any of the users also. You can see we have released 3 tasks. It has been successfully released. Now task administrator can edit a multiple task. You can see that he is a task administrator. He can easily edit a multiple task at one time. Now we'll see the second scenario. We'll log in with the normal business user and see whether he can release the task on by any other users. Here I have created a Priyesh as a normal business user. He is not a task administrator. Since he is a normal business user, he can see all the available tasks in home page. Now switch to task manager. Go to all assigned tasks. Here we can see there are two tasks which has been owned by the admin user. Let's try to release this task and try to claim by this normal business user. You can see here there is a release is already disabled. Even if he tries to assign, he cannot assign it. Since he is a normal business user and this task is already owned by other users, that's why he is not able to do. But this normal business user can claim a task for the task who is a potential owner. Just go to available task sections. At a time he can claim multiple tasks, and all this task comes to my assigned section. He can edit all this task at one time. He is also able to release, as this task is owned by him only, so he has ownership on this task. But he cannot release any task which is owned by any other users. Now let's come to summary part. For more details about Task Manager UI operations under Task Manager, you can refer another video KB, Introduction to MDM 10.4 Task Manager. For further reference, you can refer Provisioning Tool Guide for MDM 10.4. We would love to hear from you. Support videos at informatica.com, or you can tweet us at infasupport. Thanks for watching these videos.